Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how we can perform a zigzag stitch. So here we've got a Singer Promise sewing machine and I have a piece of material, and on the dial here I have 4 settings for zigzag stitches. So I'm just going to turn the dial and I'm going to select the shortest, narrowest stitch first. Then as I start stitching I will change it and I will go through all of them, and then that will show you all the different stitches. So I'm going to make sure that on my sewing machine I have attached a presser foot that has a wide gap, because the zigzag stitch is obviously going to go from side to side, so we need to make sure that we have a wide presser foot attached. So once the presser foot's attached, we're just going to place our material underneath the presser foot. We've got the stitch dial selected, so therefore we're ready to start sewing. Now I'm going to change the dial to the next zigzag stitch. That is just creating us a wider stitch, so we'll select the next one as well, and now finally we'll do the last one. Now we've finished, we just need to raise our presser foot to remove our material, and there we can see now all the 4 different types of zigzag stitches that the sewing machine has performed. The zigzag stitch is also really good if you want to finish off the raw edges of the material. So to do that, I'm just going to select the second zigzag stitch, as I think that's quite a nice length stitch. Then we're going to place our material, but we want to make sure that the material is in the center of the presser foot, because we want 1 stitch on the material and 1 stitch off the material, and this is a great stitch that just finishes off the edge of the material to stop it from fraying. Once that's in position, we're ready to start sewing. Once we're finished, we're just going to raise our needle up, remove our material, and there we can see now that that has performed a zigzag stitch along the edge of the material, and this is just a really quick and easy way that we can seal off the edges to stop them from fraying, and that's another perfect use for a zigzag stitch.